冰岛防或者是性别平等的天堂。这几年来，各项的指标，包括教育甲法律，伫全球拢是行真头前的。不过，冰岛人认为政府要是会当来加强幼囡仔的福利，也佫有性暴力的问题。因为目前伫冰岛，性暴力的问题是超过全世界的平均值，嘛爱赶紧来改善。
大喊一声，运动场顶悬的查某囡仔拼命扛起真重的茶箍，拼向前。另外一边教室内底，查某囡仔好奇想要抹无共款色水的指甲油。冰岛被俄罗斯成名天堂，法律规范占图教材顶悬的性别歧视，第线教育人员也真全力教育一代更较进步的观念。
The boys came out and they felt like we had taken the area away from them. And the girls, their experience was that they came out and asked, can we go there? Can we go there? They were asking for permission to use the area. So we teach the boys to be fair. Meanwhile, we are giving the girls opportunities to just take the area. It's all yours.
为教育培养女性的自信心，冰岛女性不是干那用踮伫厝内骄傲的花蕊。伫1975年10月24这一天下晡，全国的职场女性甲家庭主妇拢无丢伫放下工作甲家务，发动罢工，争取薪水平等。
I remember very well going home after that meeting, the smell of burnt meat in the streets, because the husbands were trying to cook dinner.
这场罢工后，性别角色开始跳出传统，男性开始分担家务责任，更较侪女性会进入国会，促成今年通过性别平等法案。随去1980年出现全球第一位民选女性总统，1997年老爸合法有育婴假，增加男性家庭照顾福利，一直到2018年，搁一摆修订动手法，超前全球强制要求企业提出证明，无分种族、阶级甲性别，拢爱共工共受。
I am cooking homemade super healthy pancakes for the kids.
这对车用小囡仔阿母先生在做煎饼，有育婴假期间要好好培养亲子感情。伊的太太是大巴岛参选地方公职，甲真济国家无同。伊大巴岛却真少遭受职场歧视，显示冰岛各项用于福利甲观念已经超过其他的所在。啊，不过作为家长的两个人却认为，这制度也无够长久。
We need more options for parents, whether it's daycare, preschool, or staying at home and get paid. You get to decide. You as a parent get to decide.
啊，不过性别暴力问题将冰岛的成名名声扫地，全国52派女性承认遭捕性侵或者是性侵未遂，而且4成遭受过身体暴力，比联合国全球平均数据较悬。有受害者佫指出，甲遭受的暴力比起来，法院判决实在是伤过轻。
My ex-husband got 9 months, but only had to stay in prison for 3 months. He beat me with a bottle, a glass bottle, and threatened to throw me off the balcony, and then he threw me out. So, for me, this is attempted murder, nothing else.
除了各项权利按达到实际平等，消除无共款性别之间的冲突共款重要。行在世界头前，冰岛的成名之路也要咧找找正确的出口。公司新闻，杨干编辑。